Welcome to 33 Pensax Road here in Cranebrook. This 4-bedroom home is set on 645 square metres of land. With approximately 20 metres of street frontage, this certainly has potential for dual income. You've got 5 car spaces, including a single garage at the back that's currently a workshop but could be a granny flat subject to council approval. It's also a beautifully presented family haven. Come on inside, let's take a look. As you enter this single level property, you have the master bedroom that's east facing, making it nice and light and bright. It's got a big floor area as well. I'm here in the kitchen and dining area. Lots of kitchen storage, cupboard space, bench space, huge fridge cavity, electric cooktop. You've got the butler's pantry with also internal laundry with plenty of bench and storage space as well. You've got your bedroom quarters, the good sizes, floorboards throughout. The bathroom with a separate bathtub and shower, which is great. And then as we make our way down to the lounge area, floorboards throughout again, reverse cycle air conditioning, nice segue out to the backyard. The covered alfresco area has a large deck which is great for entertaining friends and family. The backyard's got garden beds, manicured hedges and lawn. You've got your shed, close proximity to Jordan Springs shops and schools, Cranebrook schools and shops. Penrith CBD's just down the road for the Nepean Hospital, the station and Westfield, and then the second airport's only 25 kilometres away. What great investment potential. I'm David Littman from Morton Real Estate Penrith. Thanks for joining me. Look forward to seeing you soon.